The dream is simple. Escape the 9 to 5, work from anywhere, and live life on your terms. Imagine this. You're sitting in a sunlit cafe in Bali, your laptop open, a freshly brewed espresso in hand. Your clients are from all over the world, New York, Berlin, Sydney. Income is flowing in, life feels limitless. But then, just as you take a sip, your phone buzzes. You glance down, and there it is, an email from a tax authority. And trust me, it's not good news. This is the reality for thousands of digital nomads who unknowingly fall into financial and legal traps. Whether it's unpaid taxes, double taxation, surprise audits, or frozen bank accounts, the truth is your digital freedom comes with responsibilities. And if you don't manage your money right, it could cost you thousands. The biggest mistake? Thinking that if you work online, you don't owe taxes. But most countries tax based on residency, and some, like the USA, even tax your worldwide income. And it's not just about taxes. Failing to track your income properly can lead to lost earnings, invoicing mistakes can cause payment delays, and double taxation can eat away your hard-earned money. But here's the good news. There are simple, proven solutions to manage your finances, avoid penalties, and stay tax compliant without the stress. Let's talk about money. The whole reason we work is to get paid. But what if I told you, you might be losing thousands without even realizing it? It happens every single day. You get paid in USD, UR, GBP, or ODD. And the moment you convert that money, you're hit with hidden fees, exchange rate losses, and international transfer charges. And it gets worse. If you're manually tracking expenses across multiple currencies, one small miscalculation could mean paying more taxes than you owe. But here's the good news. You don't need to be a financial expert to take control of your money. You just need the right tools, and once you set them up, they'll do the heavy lifting for you. Step 1. Use multi-currency accounts to avoid high fees. First, ditch PayPal and traditional banks. They charge way too much for international transfers. Instead, use a multi-currency account like Wise, Revolut, or Payoneer. These platforms let you hold multiple currencies, convert money at real exchange rates, and avoid those ridiculous 5% fees. Best multi-currency accounts for Nomads. Wise, formerly TransferWise, real exchange rates, no hidden fees. Revolut, best for EU and UK freelancers, built-in budgeting tools. Payoneer, great for high-volume international payments. Step 2. Automate currency tracking to stop guessing. Now that we've stopped the money leaks, let's make sure you're tracking every transaction accurately. No more manual currency conversions or wasting hours calculating exchange rates. Let AI do the work. Best AI tools to automate currency tracking. Zero AI automatically syncs multi-currency transactions and suggests tax-deductible expenses. QuickBooks AI tracks payments across different accounts and categorizes spending. FreshBooks, best for freelancers who need simple invoicing plus expense tracking. Step 3, use expense tracking apps to stay tax ready. And the final step, keep track of every transaction so you don't get blindsided at tax time. Expensify, Zoho Expense, and Dext make this effortless. Just take a photo of your receipt and they'll categorize your expenses automatically. Top expense tracking apps for digital nomads. Expensify, auto-scans receipts and organizes spending. Dext, best for tracking business expenses and invoices. Zoho Expense, great for freelancers managing multiple currencies. This is how smart digital nomads manage their finances. No more hidden fees, no more stress. Just smooth transactions, easy accounting, and more cash in your pocket. Imagine this. You've just wrapped up a big project, sent your invoice, and you're excited to get paid. You check your account, expecting to see the funds, but instead, nothing. Days pass, then weeks, still no payment. Sound familiar? Every year, thousands of freelancers and remote workers lose money simply because of incorrect invoices. It's not just an inconvenience, it's a major financial risk. Let's break down why this happens and, more importantly, how to fix it fast. Mistake number 1, missing required tax details, VAT, GST, EIN. If you work with clients from the EU, UK, Canada, or Australia, There's a high chance they require VAT or GST information on your invoice. If it's missing, they might not process your payment at all. Quick fix. Use FreshBooks, Zoho Invoice, or Bonsai to generate tax-compliant invoices automatically. Check your client's country tax rules. Some require your tax ID, even if you're not local. Mistake number 2, choosing the wrong payment method. Here's something most freelancers don't know. Some payment platforms like PayPal limit international transactions or charge hidden fees that can hold up your money. Quick fix. Use Wise, formerly TransferWise or Payoneer. Faster global payments, fewer fees. Stripe for online businesses. Fewer holds, better for recurring payments. Cryptocurrency or decentralized platforms. Great for countries with restrictive banking. Mistake number 3, sending invoices late and forgetting follow-ups. Here's a harsh truth. Most late payments happen because freelancers don't follow up. Some clients need reminders, and automated invoice tracking can help you avoid awkward conversations. Quick fix. Use QuickBooks, Wave, or FreshBooks. They send automatic payment reminders. Set up email sequences to follow up every 3 days, 7 days, and 14 days. Charge late fees. Some clients take payments more seriously when late fees apply. With the right setup, your invoices go out correctly, get paid faster, and you focus on what you do best, your work. Most digital nomads assume that if they work online, they don't owe taxes. But in reality, almost every country has tax rules based on residency, and if you're not careful, you could end up paying more than you should. The 3 biggest tax mistakes digital nomads make. Mistake number 1, not understanding tax residency rules. Did you know that in many countries, if you stay more than 183 days, you could be considered a tax resident? That means you owe taxes there, even if you're working remotely. For example, USA taxes all citizens on worldwide income, even if they never set foot in the US that year. Europe, most countries tax freelancers after 183 days of stay. Thailand, Mexico, Bali. Stay too long? You might owe local taxes even without a business there. Want to understand tax residency rules in detail? Check out our full video on tax residency rules. Link is provided in the description. Mistake 2, double taxation nightmares. Many freelancers think, I'm already paying taxes in my home country, so I'm safe, right? Wrong. Without proper tax planning, you could be taxed twice, once at home and once abroad. How to avoid double taxation. The best ways are, check if your home country has a tax treaty. Some countries have agreements that prevent double taxation. Use the Foreign Earned Income Exclusion, FEIE. If you're a U.S. citizen, you might avoid paying U.S. tax on up to $120,000 of foreign earned income. Set up a tax-efficient business structure. Some digital nomads form offshore companies to reduce tax burdens legally. Want a detailed guide on how to avoid double taxation? Watch our full video. Link is provided in the description. Mistake number 3, not keeping track of business expenses. Ever heard the phrase, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep? If you're not tracking expenses properly, you're giving away free money to the government. How to deduct business expenses? The best ways are, track all expenses with apps like Expensify, Zoho Expense, or QuickBooks. Write off co-working spaces, software subscriptions, flights for work, and even meals with clients. Save every receipt. Some tax authorities require proof. With smart planning, you can stay compliant, keep more of your money, and focus on what really matters, your freedom. We've talked about the biggest financial challenges digital nomads face: managing expenses, invoicing clients, dealing with taxation, and ensuring compliance. Throughout this video, we've discussed various useful AI tools, along with accounting and taxation problems. But now, let's take a consolidated look at the most powerful AI tools that can handle all these tasks seamlessly. AI-powered accounting and expense tracking. First, let's talk about tracking your income and expenses. Most freelancers waste hours every month trying to manually sort transactions, convert currencies, and calculate earnings. But AI-powered accounting tools like Zero AI, QuickBooks AI, and FreshBooks can do it all for you. Zero AI syncs multi-currency payments, tracks spending, and predicts cash flow. QuickBooks AI categorizes transactions and auto-generates tax reports. FreshBooks AI, best for freelancers who need simple invoicing plus accounting in one. With these tools, your finances stay organized, your tax deductions are automatically logged, and you'll never miss an important transaction again. One of the biggest frustrations for freelancers? Chasing payments. You send an invoice, wait weeks, send reminders, and sometimes you still don't get paid on time. AI fixes this. Zoho Invoice creates invoices that adapt to different tax rules worldwide. Bonsai automates contract and invoice management for freelancers. Wave, free AI-powered invoicing and accounting in one platform. With AI-powered invoicing, you'll never have to worry about late payments again. These tools track every invoice, send reminders automatically, and even integrate with global payment platforms. Tax season shouldn't be a last-minute panic. AI-powered tax tools like KeeperTax, TaxJar, and Greenback can scan your income, expenses, and deductions, automatically prepare tax reports, and even file taxes for you. KeeperTax scans transactions and finds hidden deductions. TaxJar automatically calculates sales tax in different countries. Greenback, best for U.S. expats and digital nomads needing global tax filing. Worried about breaking tax laws or violating compliance rules? AI-powered legal tools like VisaBot, Deal, and FinCent AI provide instant legal answers, suggest the best business structures, and help you stay tax compliant worldwide. VisaBot helps digital nomads handle visas, tax residency, and compliance. Deal automates tax withholding and payroll for freelancers and remote workers. FinCent AI, AI-powered financial planning and compliance advice. Now, let's take action. Setting up these AI tools takes less than 30 minutes, and here's exactly how to do it. Follow these simple steps and start automating your finances today. Step 1. Choose the right AI tools for your needs. First, choose the AI tools that fit your business needs. Whether you're a freelancer, consultant, or entrepreneur, there's a tool designed for you. Step 2. Connect your bank and payment accounts. Next, link your financial accounts so AI can automatically track income, expenses, and invoices in real time. No more spreadsheets, just one dashboard for everything. Step 3. Automate invoicing and payment reminders. Now, automate invoicing and follow-ups so you never chase payments again. With AI-powered reminders, clients pay on time and you stay stress-free. Step 4. Optimize your tax and compliance settings. Finally, let AI handle your taxes and compliance. With just a few clicks, your tax reports will be ready without the stress of manual calculations. Your finances should work for you, not the other way around. With the right AI tools, you can save time, reduce stress, and maximize your earnings. Subscribe and like for more finance insights tailored for digital nomads and entrepreneurs. Need personalized financial guidance? Contact our expert team. Ready to automate your finances? Try these AI tools today and take control of your financial future.